Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Andi Muhammad Torera. My major notification number 2. I live Jalan Meranti number 1. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi there. How how can I help you?
Well, I'm town fishing for a few days and I need to get some things done while I'm here.
Sure. What do you need?
I need to get my hair cut. I also need to have my new pants helmet.
Okay, here's a map for the city. Thanks, I would have salon her. What is just a block hour and third. I tailor ring her. Is there anything else?
Yes, I'll need to head to my car service.
No problem. Third, I would mention I how block away.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi there. How can I help you?
I am so visiting for day, and I need to get something done. Waiting, I heard.
Sure. What do you need?
I need to get my haircut. I saw that to have my new pod paper.
Okay, there's a map of the city. There is good hair salon. Here is just a block away, and there a tailor. Tailor right here. Is there anything else?
Yes, I need to have my car service.
No problem. Church is a good mechanic. View block away.
Yes, thank you.